Syslog is an open-source protocol used to collect log messages from many different sources, including operating systems, applications, routers, switches, and other network devices. It is used to manage network events, detect security threats, and troubleshoot problems. Syslog is a great tool for IT administrators to monitor the health of the network. It can be used to detect problems before they become serious, to keep track of user activities, and to log system events. With Syslog, you can quickly identify the source of a problem or determine which applications or services are using too much resources. Syslog can be used for a variety of tasks, such as logging authentication attempts, analyzing network traffic, logging changes to system files, and more. By collecting log messages from different sources, Syslog can provide an accurate picture of what is happening on a network. This data can then be used to make decisions about how to respond to potential threats or troubleshoot issues. Syslog can be used to set up alerts for when certain events occur. For example, you can set up alerts to notify you when a system has been accessed by an unauthorized user or when a certain threshold has been exceeded. This kind of alert can help you quickly respond to potential security threats. Syslog also provides a convenient way to store logs for future reference. This can be useful for analyzing trends and patterns in network activity and for auditing user activities. With Syslog, you can easily keep track of who is accessing and using your network and when they are doing so. Overall, Syslog is a powerful tool for network administrators. It provides an efficient way to collect and store log messages, and it can be used for a variety of tasks. With Syslog, you can monitor the health of a network, detect security threats, and troubleshoot problems quickly and efficiently.